IELTS Speaking of Topic the Work. Let's start.
What is your job? Why did you choose this job? What do you enjoy most about your job? How did you feel on your first day at work?
I am a software engineer at Google. I work on the development of new products and features for the Google search engine. I chose this job because I am passionate about technology and I want to use my skills to make a difference in the world. I am also excited to be part of a team of talented engineers who are working on cutting-edge projects. I enjoy the challenge of solving complex problems and the satisfaction of seeing my work make a difference. I also enjoy the collaborative environment at Google and the opportunity to learn from other talented engineers.
What organization or company it is. What industry they are in. What the work involves. And explain why you think they are or are not a good employer.
One organization near where I live that employs a lot of people is the local hospital. The hospital is a non-profit organization that provides healthcare services to the community. They employ over 10,000 people, including doctors, nurses, technicians, and administrative staff. The hospital is in the healthcare industry. They provide a variety of healthcare services, including inpatient and outpatient care, surgery, and diagnostic testing. The work at the hospital is varied and challenging. Doctors provide medical care to patients, nurses provide patient care and support, technicians perform diagnostic tests, and administrative staff manage the hospital's operations. I think the hospital is a good employer. They offer competitive salaries and benefits, and they have a strong commitment to providing quality healthcare. They also have a culture of teamwork and collaboration, which makes it a great place to work. However, there are some challenges to working at the hospital. The work can be demanding and stressful, and the hours can be long. Additionally, the hospital is often understaffed, which can lead to burnout and job dissatisfaction. Overall, I think the hospital is a good employer, but it's not perfect. If you're looking for a challenging and rewarding career in healthcare, the hospital could be a great place for you. But if you're looking for a job with a more relaxed pace, the hospital might not be the best fit.
Which kinds of jobs have the highest salaries in your country? Why? Are there any jobs that you think should have higher salaries? Are all jobs of equal importance? What is the most common way to get a job these days? Is money always the most important thing when choosing a job? Why do some people become workaholics?
The jobs with the highest salaries in my country are typically in the fields of finance, technology, and medicine. These jobs require high levels of education and expertise, and they are in high demand. For example, software engineers in Silicon Valley can earn six-figure salaries. Yes, I think there are some jobs that should have higher salaries. For example, teachers and social workers are often underpaid for the important work that they do. They deserve to be compensated fairly for their skills and experience. No, I don't think all jobs are of equal importance. Some jobs are more important than others because they contribute more to society. For example, doctors and nurses are more important than professional athletes. However, I do think that all jobs are valuable, and that everyone deserves to be paid a fair wage for their work. The most common way to get a job these days is through online job boards. There are many different job boards available, such as Indeed, Monster, and CareerBuilder. You can also network with people in your field to find job openings. No, money is not always the most important thing when choosing a job. Other factors, such as job satisfaction, work-life balance, and opportunities for advancement, are also important. Ultimately, the most important thing is to find a job that you are passionate about and that you are good at. There are many reasons why people become workaholics. Some people work hard because they are motivated by money or by a desire to achieve success. Others work hard because they are afraid of failure or because they feel like they have to prove themselves. Still others work hard because they enjoy their work and they find it fulfilling.